This video is going to go through the details that are available to you before you download the study on ImmPort. So this is the Share Data website, and as we've seen in other videos, you can query the data catalogs, you can look at studies with the different filters, and once you find a study that you're interested in, you can before you download the data, you can open either a pop-up window here by clicking on the title, or you can get to the study page either once you're in the pop-up by clicking on open here, or by clicking on that tiny icon here next to the study accession. Either way, you get the same type of information, and that gives you an overview of the studies or the study that you've selected. The summary tab here gives you information such as the description of the study, the condition that was studied, the objectives, the type of experiment that came out of it. You also have a list of the publications that are associated with the study and the links that pertain to information related to that study. So in this case, for instance, the data is also available at clinicaltrials.gov. The next tab is the design, and that contains information about how the the study was designed. So you will get information such as the inclusion and exclusion criteria for the subjects. You will get an idea of what type of cohorts are included in the study. And you will also get a list of the planned visits, as well as documentation associated. So this is typically the protocols. Then the series of tabs that come after the design are not always there for each of the studies. It depends on the content that we have for that study. And in this case, study 1 is a pretty complete study. So we have adverse events, we have assessments for the subjects, we have intervention data, we have concomitant medication data. We have lab tests, which are actual results, and we have mechanistic assays, which is where you will find the experiments. Study files contains files that were provided but that we could not parse in our database. And the demographics tab gives you an idea about the subjects that are included in that study. So you will have summary charts, bar plots or box plots, kind of giving you an idea of the gender, race, and ethnicity of the groups contained in the study.